Hi and welcome to TypeAware. Today we will create letter A logo. Pick Type tool and type. Set TW and MT as font. Type A. Then pick Pen tool. Trace one leg of letter A. Now set letter aside. Select the shape reflected and click Copy. Adjust its position. Use Pen tool and create another shape. Then go to Objects, Path Offset and set offset to around 12 points. Select all shapes and pick Shape Builder tool. Now hold Alt key to remove any area. Or simply drag on any area where you want shape to be built. Give it any color. Create shape for right leg like this. Similarly for the head shape. And lastly for the left leg. Change the color back to black. Darken the red color. Export the logo. Open up Photoshop and import the logo. Apply this third option gradient on the background layer. I use dark blue and gray gradient. Duplicate layer using Ctrl-J. Apply gradient like this. Adjust the opacity to around 50%. Right-click on logo and go to the blending options. Apply inner shadow and follow me on these settings. Give it drop shadow and adjust as per your requirement. Apply little soft bevel emboss. Now write your firm name. Adjust the size. Then go to blending options. Apply drop shadow. And bevel emboss with previous saved settings. Finally create a rectangle, give it white color. Adjust the size and make it smart object. Go to Filters, apply Gaussian blur. Make a clipping mask to the logo layer. Duplicate it 3 times and place them in different location on logo. Adjust rectangle transparency. And make them clipping mask for logo. That's it. Consider like and subscribe.